Most people do very little with the stock market. Part of that reason is it seems like there's so much to know. It seems like it's way over their heads, so they would just rather give their money to somebody else and trust a professional to make it grow. Sort of like, planting a bean and then waiting for the stalk to grow. We have this idea that there's only one way to invest. So that's essentially buying and holding. Now, buying and holding isn't necessarily a bad idea. In fact, it can be a great idea. Buy low, sell high. We've all heard the mantra. The difficulty in the way most people approach investing with a buy and hold mindset is they don't really know when to sell. So each time there's a high and then a bear market comes, they don't know that the bear market is coming, and they end up losing all the money that they had made. So then they're buying low and then essentially selling low. Well, you won't make any money doing it that way. But what if you could learn a strategy so that you could buy near the lows and then sell near the highs? What kind of difference would this make in your personal trading account if you had the ability to recognize when these lows are occurring and when the highs are about to be finished and that you will see a drop soon? Would this change the way that you looked at trading completely? If you really truly had the ability to have a general understanding of buying low and selling high, and you could take advantage of these movements. Now, we're still talking about, over a year or 2 or 3 years time period, but what if I told you you could actually do it within a few days or a few weeks, and you could do this over and over again? Well, if that sounds intriguing to you, come and check out some of our events, because we're going to show you how to do this through using charting software, technical analysis, and all these other things that we'll tell you more about.